Simplicity and safety come together for you in the BD Autoguard family of shielded IV catheters. The BD Autoguard shielding technology, along with your choice of catheter material and other features, allow flexibility to meet clinical preference while putting safety right at your fingertips. In addition, the BD Autoguard shielded IV catheter is a safety-engineered catheter proven to effectively reduce needle stick injuries.
Keep in mind that learning to use any new catheter requires a period of adjustment and patience. With each catheter successfully inserted, you'll gain more confidence in your ability to use the new product.
Remove the needle cover in a straight outward motion. To release the tip seal, hold the colored hub stationary and rotate the clear safety barrel 360 degrees until the catheter reseats against the safety barrel. The white button will now be facing upward. This also orients the bevel. Failure to release the seal may affect catheter advancement and proper needle retraction. Apply traction to the skin to stabilize the vein and prevent it from rolling away from the needle tip. Approach the vein slowly at a low angle and perform the venipuncture. Watch for blood return in the flash chamber. Flash indicates that the tip of the needle has entered the vein. To ensure that the catheter tip is also within the lumen of the vein, lower and advance the entire catheter unit forward slightly. Lowering the catheter angle reduces the likelihood of posterior wall penetration. Remember that in 20, 22, and 24 gauge catheters, the notched needle provides immediate detection of blood return along the catheter tubing at the insertion site. Blood return will continue to progress into the flash chamber as with traditional catheters. The catheter can now be advanced into the vein. Hooding allows one-handed advancement of the catheter while protecting the vein from the needle tip. To do this, place your index finger on the push tab located on the catheter hub and advance the catheter into the vein, approximately 1/4 inch. Then, advance the catheter and needle as a unit up to the hub. Now remember, keep traction on the skin with your opposite hand. To minimize the flow of blood from the catheter hub once the needle is retracted, remove the tourniquet and apply digital pressure beyond where the tip of the catheter resides within the vein. Applying digital pressure directly over the catheter may damage the vein and result in blood exposure. When ready, stabilize the catheter hub and push the white button. The needle is now completely encased within the clear safety barrel, providing visible confirmation that the device is activated. The safety barrel should be disposed of into a puncture-resistant, leak-proof biohazard sharps container.
In the unlikely event that activation does not occur, reposition the needle and press the button again. If the needle still does not retract, dispose of it immediately, keeping the needle point away from you and others at all times. Connect the catheter to the IV setup and secure the site according to your facility's policy and procedure.
The BD Insyte Autoguard shielded IV catheter is only one member of BD's full family of safety-engineered catheters and introducers, incorporating the proven effectiveness of the BD Autoguard shielding technology. Other BD Autoguard products include the BD Insyte N Autoguard shielded IV catheter, the BD Angiocath Autoguard, and BD Angiocath N Autoguard shielded IV catheters, and the BD Insyte Autoguard and BD Insyte N Autoguard shielded introducers for PICCs and midlines.